Hey, it's Matt Luchek here, superintendent with the Beck Group.
And it's Robert Conley here, project engineer with the Beck Group.
Together, we're working with Beck Architecture and Beck Construction on the Meridien Hotel project downtown Houston.
Give you a little background information on the project. It started as the Houston Melrose office building here in downtown in the early 1950s and has since been renovated and redone twice. However, it wound up going out of commission in 1989 and has since been vacant.
So the project will consist of a new hotel. The building will have conference rooms, a restaurant, guest rooms on 16 floors, a new fitness center, new steel structure and pool on the roof, the glass handrail system.
All right, now let's go inside and check it out.
Let's go see.
Hello everybody, now we're on level 1 of the building and now we're about to go inside of our buck hoist or external elevator and go up to the roof to show you what's there.
In the roof, the new structure will consist of a fitness center, a new pool, complete restoration of the existing product that's left in place. Let's go take a look.
Oh, Maddie, take a look at this. Beautiful scenic downtown Houston. And just think, we're on the second level of the penthouse.
On top of the penthouse here, besides this complete roof restoration, brick restoration, really, there's nothing much else that goes on up top besides looking over the edge is where we'll have our new pool with glass handrail system and complete new kind of patio area for the roof of the hotel. Let's go take a look downstairs. We got some guest rooms in progress.
Oh man, would you take a look around? We didn't, hey, just for the record, we didn't make this mess, we're just cleaning it up.
As he said, this is a complete demo of this floor to leave it as a core and shell. Right now we're in the pre-demo phases on level 20. We'll see a lot of improvement as we go down the building. All the carpet, drywall, basically any finished product of a typical building is completely removed here and left with just concrete and steel structure and windows.
Take a look at what happens when we clean up, you know, just a little bit.
So this floor, level 16, has already gone through the full demo process. The core and shell, basically where we start our layout, start our MEP coordination, about to start doing build out. We've got floors above and below us going through other demo stages. So we're just not quite to a floor with our guest rooms yet, but we'll get there in just a minute. As we come down the stairwell, you may see these targets stuck on the wall. Well, that's done by Beck's virtual building group. Especially on our Beck integrated projects, we like to laser scan existing structure, the stairwells, the elevator shafts. And the laser scanning is basically an awesome piece of technology that's surveying with a total station at its finest. It's as building every single piece of the existing structure, 360 every direction, vertical and bottom.
Hey, would you take a look around now on the 4th floor? We actually have some walls up now.
So all of our MEP coordination starts on the 4th floor, the most important floors. 4 through 20 are all guest rooms that are going to be identical. Every floor will be the same. Everything needs a stack from the 4th floor up. So right here we've got an existing mezzanine level, existing mechanical shaft that goes up the building that'll have a new steel structure filling in the floor, giving more office space or guest room space, whatever is here in this location. Robert, you want to talk about the mock-ups we have here for coordination?
Yes, sir, and what we have here are 2 mock-up rooms that are going to represent the guest suites that will be put in place when the building is set to reach its course. That said, we have 1 queen-size area and 1 king-size area. These areas are going to be reminiscent of exactly how we plan on building each one of the suites throughout the course of the building. And as such, it'll showcase all the different finishes, all the different touches, and all the different ways that architecture, interior design, and that we've had in going into each one of these suites throughout the course of the process.
Getting started on the project, we wanted to know where should we put these mock-up rooms. We have a full building that we need a demo and make space for it to start building. Well, we stepped up our demo once we got the buck hoist running. And we built the mock-ups in place.
Full speed ahead.
Let's go take a look on the lower floors and get y'all out of here today.
But would you take a look around now that we're over here on the 1st level elevator lobby? Take a look at this green material behind me, this marble, and that shows one of the biggest challenges that we have on this project to date. Right now we're charged with taking down all of the existing marble and restoring it to its proper glory and using it as a means of showing that we actually wound up restoring the historical piece of this project down here in the elevator lobby.
So the best way to figure out how many pieces of stone are here and the sizes of them was the laser scan. Beck, we in-house laser scanned this elevator lobby and captured every single piece of granite prior to demo in this elevator lobby. After we got demo through, we scanned again and captured a lot of the existing structure overhead that might not have been encompassed in our initial design of the existing structure that we had to work around. It helps us identify other potential hazards. The laser scanning is invaluable. It needs to be done on every job. The fact that we can do it here in-house with Beck is priceless. Let's go take a look at the basement. So we're here in the basement of the future Meridien Hotel. When we got here, we'd be standing underwater when we got to this building in November. The building had 4 to 6 feet of water in the basement just from the 25 years it was left vacant where no one touched it. Look over here, existing elevator shafts. We're going to be putting in a new elevator shaft here in this corner to be full service to the basement and all the floors of the rest of the building. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you learned a little about Beck Architecture, Beck Construction, and Beck Integrated Projects from us down here in downtown Houston. Hope you can spend some time, take a look at the video again, see if you missed anything.